We have a full-service grooming salon. We offer different levels of grooming options. We have just come in and get a bath, a full-service bath, shampoo, condition, nails clip, sanitary trim. We have the mid-service grooming experience, which is kind of more of a cleanup experience. So if you have your dog groomed regularly, it's not as expensive to keep it up. So those start at $45, and that includes all of the things I just talked about: paw, tail, anything that needs trimmed up. And then we have the full-service grooming experience, which is more for dogs that have, greater need. We also offer the opportunity for you to come in and wash your dogs yourself. We have 3 self-wash stations and a drying table. We provide you the shampoo, conditioner, towels, an apron so you don't get soaking wet, and you can leave all the dog hair for us to clean up.